Hey guys, just wanted to show you this tractor I'm working on here. It's one of the L120 models, and this one needs new blades and spindles. I took the deck off and you can see the tips of the blades are pretty much gone. And if you look at the spindle bearings, you can see they're finished. So I made this video to show you the problem of the worn out bearings. If you look underneath, this deck is held on by 1, 2, the same thing, 3 and 4, and a 5th pivot. So you pull out these pins and the deck drops off. You unwrap the belt from the clutch and then you've got the deck loose. So next video I'm going to show you where you can buy these spindles as a set. Instead of going to John Deere and paying through your you-know-what, you can buy all three, most likely with hardware and blades, for the price of 1 or 2 at Deere. That'll be the second set of this video. Thanks for watching.